my super dope outfit choice. We've got this cool pink bra, which something really cool. The support is actually like two like elastic pieces on the inside. So I've never felt more supported in my life. This is like a cool jewel in the middle. This is from the Fashion District, actually. It was like $6 because the Fashion District is dope as fuck. All right. Now that speaking of the Fashion District, these shoes are from the Fashion District. They hurt like hell, and I'm gonna break my fucking neck, but they're super cute, and I will happily die in these. So, stay tuned. We might record my death. Anything for the views, right? All right. Hey everyone, it's Sabrina Lynn.